Hello, we are CHUKOH Chemical Industries. We currently exhibiting at MD&M EAST. We manufacture fluororesin tube. The product introduced here, PTFE thin wall tube. PTFE thin wall tube can be manufactured in two ways, extrusion and coating. Each manufacturing method brings different characteristics to the product. Extruded tubes are strong and thin-walled. Coated tubes are thin-walled tube. Porous tube with excellent flexibility, breathability, and water repellency, and multi-lumen tube with multiple holes can also be manufactured. These tubes are used as components of endoscope and catheter. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.